What makes some people unstoppable? And what drives teams to go beyond targets, beyond limits? A mindset that refuses to settle, that turns pressure into performance and challenges into opportunities. Welcome to the Unstoppable Mindset, a high-impact experience that awakens energy, collaboration, and leadership thinking. Born out of real-world experiences, shaped by neuroscience-backed insights, and delivered through stories, humor, and powerful symbolism. This session goes beyond inspiration. It's an activation of belief, accountability, and action. Participants don't just listen, they engage, reflect, and transform. They walk away with practical tools, strategies, and clarity to own outcomes, to embrace challenges, and to collaborate with impact. First launched in America at a global convention that brought together some of the sharpest minds in business, and then to Dubai, where it became the highlight of ICAI's annual convention. And now it's making waves across corporate India with extraordinary feedback from some of the most respected companies and leaders.
We heard Rahul Kapoor today during our general session, and it was marvelous. He got the crowd so energized. It was not only the energy and enthusiasm that he brought to the speech, but he also sent such a strong message of the importance of unity and coming together with our decisions so that we are unstoppable.
My favorite words in business are fail to prepare, prepare to fail. Rahul was a speaker that went beyond just about any speaker, in fact any speaker that we've had here before on the main stage in terms of understanding our mission, our values, our Count on Me culture, and he really reached in and talked to the hearts and souls of the leadership that's out there across North America supporting our 6,000 US franchisees.
Just 2 hours time, the magic that Rahul created, making sure that everybody's purpose is aligned towards achieving that 100 million that we wanted to chase and get. So instilling that as everybody's goal and the purpose to actually work together as one team to achieve, I think is fantastic. Everybody seems very energized, enthused to go towards that next big step as an organization we're thinking for.
Because in today's world, being good is not enough. Being unstoppable is everything. If your teams are ready to shift their mindset, elevate their energy, and take responsibilities like never before, then it's time to experience the Unstoppable Mindset with me, Rahul Kapoor.